What's going on, everybody? Chase on Two Wheels here, and today should be a very exciting day. Do you know why? Today, I am going to be going up to give one of the motorcycles that we just recently got done rebuilding to the person that won it from our Patreon page and stuff. It should be an awesome day. This is going to be the first time I've ever got to be there when somebody wins the bike that they won. Should be awesome, super amped. And it was going to rain today, but the motorcycle gods have parted the clouds for us. So I gotta ride the MT10. So I'm gonna go get some gear on. We're gonna roll to Mountain because that's where the bike's been. And it should be a good time. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me, don't worry. Oh, and if you're wondering about the whole giving the bike away thing, so it's part of the, I have a Patreon page with my buddies. We rebuild motorcycles similar to this, $40,000 Panigale we got behind us. People support that show. We make shows showing people how to work on bikes. We take wrecked bikes, turn them into dream bikes, give them away. If you guys want to find out how you can win this Panigale that we're about to be giving away soon, or any future bikes, you can click in the top link down below. Patreon allows us to do all that kind of stuff. We got a whole community of awesome people over there, so we'd love you to have you on. And if you can't support, that's totally fine. Just watch the videos. We appreciate that as well. Now I'm going to make sure my dog's not eating random stuff, and then I'm going to get on this bike and go give a CBR 500 away. Oreo, are you trying to eat stuff in the garage? Do you not know what this little camera is? Do you have anything to say to the people? The camera doesn't know you're a dog. Alright, love you too, bud. Okay. Alright, Dad's gotta go. Bye. Let's all look at Luke's bike.
It's
no.
been a week and a half of rain, and I ride in it, so.
True, here, this is what a bike, what did people on Instagram say? This is what a bike's supposed to look like. Look at this.
It's gross.
Oh, no, hold on. Let's get should we do Wreck Bike Rebuild or C2 Dub, or let's do.
This has a wrap on it, so you're not gonna scratch the paint. But
oh.
yes, it is dirty.
Okay, hold on. WBR. Wait, no. Write patreon.com/Chaseontwowheels.
Okay,
that'll be perfect. All right, so we're here at Mountain. Luke's meeting us here, or Luke's here. Brian's gonna be here. Everybody's gonna get to meet Jose. Hopefully, did I ask Jose if he's okay with being on a video? I don't know if I did. I'll ask him before I record him. Something I noted though, wore the Atlas 2.0 here today, and I think a large is too big.
It is?
Yeah, I think the new, so then they put a new EPS liner in the Atlas 2.0, the new Heroic helmet. And my old one was a large, and it fit tight. That's a large, and it's it was mostly highway here. It was a little loosey-goosey.
So they did do the EPS
Totally
liner?
new EPS liner, yeah. So, sidebar, gonna have to get a medium of those. Okay, we have to do shots of the CBR because we forgot to do those in the garage. So we're gonna run in, do those, and this is what the bike looks like. So boom. So yeah, that's the CBR refresh back there that we did. That was our little quick version of a build. Basically got it wrecked, had no keys, and looked like shit. And we kind of flipped it in 7 episodes. So if you guys want to check it out, I'll leave a playlist link in the description. And that's what it looks like. So now we just kind of wait for Jose to show up. So probably just be motorcyclists and sit outside talking about motorcycles. Am I right? 2 wheels.
Yeah.
Stuff.
Yeah, spanners and spark plugs, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, what was it yesterday that
Wrench.
I couldn't? Wrench?
A wrench.
Yeah, wrenches, you know? No, we're not in the garage. It's got to be just motorcycle talk.
Okay.
There's a big truck. We're going to go now.
He's up there. He's up there.
Why do you look like you have a gun?
Go.
It's awkward now. There's a camera over there. We all have to come up here.
I know, come on.
Yeah, Chase! Come on, man. Let's go. I loved it because I haven't got to be here.
Thank you very much, man.
You're very welcome. Make the usual behind the camera in the corner.
Hey, nice to meet you, man. Congratulations.
Right, yeah, we were getting some shots of it earlier. All right, everybody. So Jose's in there doing all the legal paperwork stuff to get the bike, but that's it. That's how a bike giveaway goes. This is the first time I've got to do that, so that was pretty cool to be able to actually be here when somebody was being given a motorcycle. It's a really cool feeling, and it kind of reinforces how cool the whole like wreck bike rebuild thing is. I'm not trying to make this video a whole like go to Patreon that thing. It just, I'm appreciative of being able to be in the position to be able to see people get that excited about motorcycles and stuff like that. It's a really cool feeling. Okay, so that's all I got in the video, guys. We're gonna head on home soon, and thanks for watching. Outro crew, thanks for getting to the end of the video. If you guys do want to find out more info about all the bikes we give away and stuff, top link down below. And I'm gonna go enjoy the bike I was given. Wasn't given to me, I'm loaning it, but you guys get what I mean. I'm gonna go enjoy riding the MT10 and see if I can get a medium Rear Rock Atlas 2.0. All right, guys, thanks for watching the video. Make sure to click the like button and hit subscribe and all the stupid shit YouTube wants you guys to do. I'm Chaseontwowheels, and I will see you on the next one. Ooh, outro crew, thought of something. If you had to choose, which of these would you choose? Monster 1200R or MT10? If you had to choose the super naked between those two, let me know, and please don't hurt my feelings when you choose Luke's bike. Okay, see you guys later. Bye.